Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode on this device. Firstly, you need to access settings and scroll down. Now select battery section over here and choose advanced settings. After that you need to click on performance mode and choose high performance mode by clicking it. Lastly, select turn on in the pop-up and as you can see, higher performance is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on any other mode, like smart one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!